How to fix banned account in Mobile Legends? Let's begin. Initially launch the Play Store app on your mobile device and search for Mobile Legends. Then scroll down to App Support section and tap on it. Next, select the email option to open your email app. In the subject, type Account Support, and in the body, explain clearly that your account was banned by mistake. Also, make sure to include your in-game username so the support team can locate your account easily. Finally, send the email and wait for a response. The Mobile Legends team will guide you on how to recover your account if eligible. If this step doesn't work, open your phone settings and scroll down to App option. Then click on it. Then tap the Manage App option and search for Mobile Legends. After that, open the app settings. Select Storage and click on Clear Data and choose Clear All Data. Likewise, confirm your action by tapping OK. This action will log you out of Mobile Legends. Finally, log in using a different Google account to regain your access and continue playing. And that's all. I hope this video helped.